ASIC vs FPGA. Complete explanation. What is ASIC? An ASIC, application-specific integrated circuit, is a chip designed for one specific purpose only. Example: mobile processor, AI accelerator chip, Bitcoin mining chip, networking chip. Once manufactured, the functionality is fixed permanently. ASIC characteristics: very high performance, low power consumption, small chip area, expensive to design, cannot be reprogrammed after fabrication. ASIC design flow. 1. Specification. 2. RTA design, Verilog/VHDL. 3. Functional verification. 4. Synthesis. 5. DFT. 6. Floor planning. 7. Placement. 8. Clock tree synthesis, CTS. 9. Routing. 10. STA. 11. Physical verification. 12. Tape out. 13. Fabrication. What is FPGA? An FPGA, Field Programmable Gate Array, is a reconfigurable chip that can be programmed again and again after manufacturing. You can modify the hardware logic anytime. FPGA characteristics: reprogrammable, faster development time, lower initial cost, higher power consumption, lower speed compared to ASIC. FPGA development flow. 1. RTA coding. 2. Simulation. 3. Synthesis. 4. Place and amp, root. 5. Bit stream generation. 6. Program FPGA board -- Major difference between ASIC and FPGA. Feature: ASIC, FPGA -- full form, application specific IC, field programmable gate array, reprogrammable, no, yes. Speed: very high, moderate, power consumption, low, high, cost: high development cost, lower development cost, time to market: longer, faster, flexibility: fixed, flexible, performance: best, good, area efficiency: excellent, lower, used for mass production, prototyping and amp, low volume products. -- Real life examples: ASIC examples, Apple AC RISC chips, NVIDIA AI accelerators, Bitcoin mining chips, mobile OCS. FPGA examples: networking systems, aerospace applications, automotive prototyping, AI research boards. Common FPGA companies: AMD, Xilinx, Intel, Altera. -- Simple analogy: ASIC like printing a final textbook. Fast, optimized, cannot change content later. FPGA like writing on a whiteboard, can erase and rewrite anytime. Flexible, not as optimized. -- Which one is better? Choose ASIC if high volume production, need best performance, need low power. Final commercial product examples: smartphone CPUs, GPUs, AI chips. Choose FPGA if learning, VLSI, prototyping, research projects, frequent hardware changes. Examples: college projects, testing, RTA. Early product development -- salary and amp, career perspective in VLSI. ASIC career roles: RTA design engineer, physical design engineer, STA engineer, verification engineer, DFT engineer. FPGA career roles: FPGA design engineer, embedded FPGA engineer, hardware prototyping engineer. -- Which is better for freshers? Start with FPGA if you want practical hardware understanding, you are learning Verilog/system Verilog. You want hands-on projects, quickly move to ASIC if you want core semiconductor/VLSI jobs, higher long-term salary, growth, work in product companies. -- Current industry trend: 2026. The semiconductor industry is growing rapidly because of AI, automotive electronics, 5G, IoT, data centers. ASIC demand is very high in AI accelerators, custom chips, advanced semiconductor nodes. FPGA demand remains strong in defense, aerospace, prototyping, networking. -- Final conclusion: FPGA equals flexible plus learning plus fast development. ASIC equals powerful plus efficient plus industry production. Most VLSI engineers actually begin with FPGA concepts and later move into ASIC design roles.